name is Chee. I am the R&D manager and chef of Barcook. What I'm making today is the roast lychee cake. This is made with natural roast tea, sweet lychee, and contains the finest New Zealand dairy goodness. Roast tea and lychee together offers a wonderful, aromatic, and delicious experience. I am very passionate about the pastry arts. A lifetime is not enough to learn and master every aspect of it. I create my own recipes, learn and work with chefs from Japan, Germany, and Taiwan. At Barcook, we believe that quality and freshness are the key ingredients in our products.